You understand? If you come we go raw. You understand? We go raw. That is me for you. Now, Bubu Yeke, bloggers, I beg you go change that name. I'm not fat for Monica. I beg you go change the topic. That write up. I beg you go change that. You understand? I know the fact for here on bon. I be presenter na here on bon especially a Nokia Uyeka. Unuya Odayodare. The same Monica no give. Na I see disgrace Mama Nora for social media say when he dey praise Monica, say na Monica na Tisha road we God take bless am. Mama Nora Uyeka call the fact no give for his I say why he go dey praise Monica for social media. You understand? So you see, Mama Nora is a there's a man no her key. He dey like if you see person wey sabi saga, you go come lawyer. You go call the like dey play, go dey meet that person. Go dey play, go dey meet that person. I see where Godfather dey there. Godfather where you dey insult because you don't say who will give okay who see you and Ubu Yeke no go run for TikTok. I want you and Nerogi una go run for TikTok. All your shame and disgrace when you live for Facebook, you run on TikTok. Now TikTok will for disgrace you. See everybody they beat you now. You see where put face. No, you are not good. You people are betrayer. Our boma yesi. Oh wahin. But you need to gaga bowena. I get go the social media. A dogun we go lag everywhere. My husband osag where you put your poison. Obia again yame. I'll see that married because I don't want make people laugh me or go money. God go where you they do live video, your voice don't crack. You never cry, you never see anything. They don't go donation you. Amaya donation wena. I am more listening to your shame and disgrace on social media.
Ona ko na ya claim mama ma ozo na eti.
Ma o we meti agun ozo we hi na. Omo na tete bon oda fun e. Omo na tete bon jada fun e. Who can be you? Wa gbe o. Igbo bele voice we crack. Bet nobody fit support wa. Nobody even the people where they defend you in a fast way they defend you. Tomorrow they'll go call Enoge. They open my show Enoge side chic. Guy, Mama Nora now what I go help you fight. Mama Nora go help you fight. Tomorrow they'll go delete it WhatsApp. They'll put auto for Enoge we. Also for your men that they join you they fair. Oh why you not who come be? I'm where you go also. And no get you the saga posh. He said make you rest. Why he say make you rest? Because he need the kind of disgrace where don't disgrace you for outside. Even posh, if you talk and say even Lord you take carry woman put for there, you fuck get daybreak. Tomorrow you say you get wife. You get husband. Even the bola you man when you call your husband to the extent say you the bola that people chop and pass you. Even to your married day, your own married day, ain't no gay wo poor you spit. Then tomorrow I call that kind idiot my husband. Una wey dey fight for no gay. He where they use ete they swear give am. Who come be me when no fit swear give am? Wa gbe won neti ye gi ate born on that for no way. Wa devil. Wa be bloggers please you correct this name. I know they fight for anybody. They no be better person. He a wan gbon. E Monica bi a wan gbon na be gbinana. Oh, koneti a weles bobo you we the husband as lolo dey lick your bekus. You dey lick lolo bekus. Then you come want make me support. I know they support that kind of woman, God forbid. Ozo back here. Ozo back here. Not be say this one and they say Monica use the man talking. Monica use the man talking. Say and Lolo they do less bobo that they lick each other. Where they never enter UK, where they say they day. So my sister bloggers, I know they fair for anybody. I beg, if you see say they beat one for one, you see guys, it did not break way. And see any food that they will hungry me. I know they fair for one. Presenter not be people where they fair for. If opportunity gone, give their two. Ambrose, Monica, wait, go even Monica. Where they do kiosk, if they do container for your ass, if they do container for your ass, the man where Epa do container, he carry enter inside that container, he go kiss him. Okonoro Wozo. My sister, how I want to fight for that kind of person? You don't bale Monica or bad men. Person where they follow thief waka, he himself na thief. You know na, you they follow Asha where they waka, you be Ashawo. So I not get friend because I see the way all of the things they operate for this TikTok and Facebook. I not get friend. If you fuck up, I will give you. Now me they talk. Say me I can't judge somebody. They see anything when I see me say they do for different platforms. Say I like the way what you have to say. They talk to Mama Nora Buyeke because of Monica. See. I just talk up because we just want be sincere. You understand? I want just be sincere. I know the fight for presenter. You understand? Wow. He been a presenter. So now let's go. Yeah, it's not a video now. Let's.
Why do they beg somebody like you, human being like you? Okay. Why? You can only respect people. I don't say man, you don't respect them because na hard labor that they do.
This one was a diploma because I can analyze that video later.
DJ Cruz. Because me, I'm very intelligent. I'm a very sensitive person. The way you take condemn your friends to me, now I go take pinch myself, say, as far as that person is still your friend, as far as you're still playing with that person and you are condemning that person, you go do it to me. I can always use my thing to give myself sense. If you do it 1, 2, 3 times, the third time, you...
No, I defend the video where you don't get the info party. Where they say no get one go do NC. O carry no carry akpune. But mama no go come ask, he go say my husband not the shop for party o. But when no get go reach party, the first thing wey you go fair do, you go say make they give am padanyama soup, make you fair eat before you go do NC. Or you were waiting for ne, or when you have a museum with the general go live wa. My husband say no dey too much food for outside. You know they shop people food for outside. Earlier by all now let my food they eat. No they eat to anybody food. Now my food they eat because you know girls who are on a bebo wa. Okay, how he says if you go do NC, you go first shop and the nyama soup with the general malay. Not be this video they find. Pa gbeo we no la worry. It be like say no not be him. Okay.
Say me say you never sleep with me. O sabe say wa afian wo. O sabe say if abola we.
This is Bobby.
No let this betty gbe. No bio sajaye ago. If abola na we la we gbe. You are born on la Wi-Fi. Gbogbo adeleke. Enogi, you now call me, tell me say Bobby, make we rest on this matter.
Mother,
You not call me, you not get move dead, you can't go you go the post person, mama. When not give me
okay.
You don't bring no I can't give me. You don't, I don't want them again because Osama say now bad blood then give. I don't know.
But what you want is the best I did do. Do when man I come Bobby. We are you best at the yaw. If you person more than the same more than we go bump you not they stable, they go through how they go wrong. Yeah, move for your leg. Me best at the we are yaw Bobby. Everywhere is zwa. Then we go money yaw. Me best at the we are yaw. Normal that's useful. Then we yaw. Normal they valuable. Well then we yaw. Na when you go na say you best at the. When you go here, when you go to Wagaze near. Let the near mu best at here. Una de yera. When I tell you say the same mama not with the saga Bobby say Bobby na this one, but you know open left for Bobby as if the way they call her you the mama not the son Bobby your own baby father ubu yeke we ask your bonne we be no rana we ask your bonne again we for na agbe love we platform ezadi uwe gi miamia again we for na agbe love we platform ezadi uwe gi miamia. Oh, Miamia, now we get abone your baby father. Abi, who we get abone baby father? Oh, you don't know say Bobby they wear trouser we get pencil leg. If they wear we go around when then we have binora. Wagbeo.
That woman blood not good for body. He said you get man he said what here Osama say you know he said you get married he not give her my name he took the name from me even the name you know who give you the document wey she get today you know I take a document you know come and tell the world how Osama say take that document you say you don't want saga me again. That be go on boy. You don't want saga me. You dey fear me. I not expose you.
Okay.
At this point now, everywhere will spoil. We have to block this one first because I dey call you since you don't pick me. I have to block you come off for here. Because you na one. Because people who hate me, who don't love me, who claim who love me, I will block you. Do you understand me so? When you don't know the way you talk to me, you dey go about money about fear kunle. I keep quiet as they look you say I don't want to talk to you. You get the nice they saga me. Wapera wabijua. Israel no who are not take yeke. Go see your mama now. I today we you me have to put your mama before you. Me come we you win you go bola we you go to post that the mama. First of all, I want to let all of you know. I want to tell you something at the come. May I tell you something? If person like me as me there so I get mother. Sometimes my mother will tell me, say, and you don't need to check me for hospital. These women are old. They are our mothers. They don't old.
Mama said they don't old.
They are big.
That woman don't carry. How did they call her for Bini? Oh, Inyenye. Not be Inyenye that they call her for Bini. Inyenye. Great grand, no. Eje. Oh. Inyenye. Nothing I call ye great grand picky. That woman don't carry her. My own grandfather, before my own grandfather, he not the see road again. That is called old age. Yes, my grandfather, he dey see road, he dey go far. If you see where my grandpapa they go farm, the farm far. It dey take 4 hours to reach my grandfather farm. When my grandfather come dey old, my grandfather old, so they not call the year word again. If they want to talk to my grandpapa, then they put in mat, they go put her for a year. They go the talk to her. And then they talk to her, they shout, Baba Meno ese, Baba Meno, Osan. You see that kind of thing? My grandfather no they see again. My grandfather not call the year again because it was about 100 something 103 abi 104. That was my grandfather. If woman thought they old, they'll call the point, they'll come small, they'll come, they be like pikin. See, Zaddy big mama, you know they feel the waka again because where it don't hold. And okay, how many pikin your mama born? Only 2 got born. Omeva na your own mama born, na your mama born, ya got born. Zaddy, they say you know how many children where mama born? He carry great grandchildren. You know how many children? And no give, they never beat a no give for this issue. And no give have been doing this thing right from Facebook. You go carry people, mama come outside. You go carry people, mama, you go record and go carry her come outside. But this one for TikTok, he over you. You won't claim the king of lion for TikTok. Beg everywhere. All of them don't baller for you. You want the clear say now you be the whole like now you get TikTok like your papa get TikTok. You beg any young boy. Go party now they will beat you. Anyway, your party is a boy. They a bopping on his boy. He say never need that your beshi let picky again. Oh, they want to you beshi the yaw. O say go me be me beshi. Ijo I be man. Woman come born beshi for me. Now slippers are they wrong. Yeah, they run. I be man, woman come born bedside for me. It better time, you read every time. Bobby will have a zua. Who welcome? You want to go carry pikin?
Doing things since how many years? And not be like you people say some people say that you're born like 1 pikin, 2 pikin, 3 pikin. Like my mother and I born 8 of us. It be there be on me 8. It be ni to start with. Those kind of mothers, they need to respect them. And then they go sit down for one husband house. You say your mama is there for husband house. No be native daughter sleep with your mama. Oh, bogari you ewa. If you make passion o ta o sa ni ba bo fie kule nuwe. Ni zaza ga lawo egbe wa gbo nu jegi yeke. Nu suhun wo edro ero wa. Ni ba bo lawo egbe. Oh, bogari.
I not get beshile for my children. Osai God may not let me bob beshile. And God will let me get beshile in Jesus' name. Our main best idea, I be best idea. Our way no one can name your mom. And then I show you how my mother children they do. Especially Nora. With the other one will be twist. One of them will be twist. One of them, I tell you how they do. But that's how I post the video. I tell you what. If you Nora won't cry, even Nora Beshile don't they show well. As they don't they grow now, the Beshile don't they grow. See Nora I dey come and do Nora I dey come. Na kata be this one na kata be this one there no na see Nora cry. Me I say na kata na be this one so na kata You go come put up on mobile like this one. One of the twists for inside though. When Nora come like this, I get the photo. The photo there here. The children when Mama Nora get, that is it. If not be like I get the picture. I been at this one it day. Even Mama Nora can't even come cry. Say God may not give her better ass based on all your children. All of them are Ibe side. They don't give her children. They don't give her ass. Now you want to tell me? My children no be best side though. Even when mama not come my platform come talk out, my children can't disgrace my children. You know, you see my speaking saga mama not for platform. My 2 children, they sagara. They say my pikin na OD. When my pikin come up, there are 2 of them. I did live video when my pikin come, the one come complain, they fight, they come complain. As they talk with good English, with Italo, they miss am. Mama not come here, he say, the children never grow. The children that grow. My children see small. Wow. But you say my pikin not they talk, my OD. My pikin na in side. But with this social media, my children come and use good English to talk. You want to talk? Your children never grow. Your children, I made them ask how many years my children dey. Are you okay? Are you okay? It's not funny. But mama know that they saw people children. It's not funny if they saw children, people children. Really? You don't know so that will be master of beating children for social media. You don't know. Because they say make they quiet for TikTok, make they quiet for TikTok. Ogon bije nora. Ogon bije nogra. Uwe no keke. Uwe no bia. Owa boni. People go they come picky for social media. Mama nora go see bring you. Let all presenter pack their children come outside. Mama nora bring their own come out. Whether you know see come out. Whether not be mama nora go take they waste all your children. Mama nora children go fit stand stable. If not be say they use and take the cocoa all of them. If mama nora children stand, one go go like this, the other one go go like this, the other one like say mama nora go the whole day just because he want create content. You know the bully wey mama nora don bully children. Up till now she's still doing it. It's not normal. When you know say now he get the worsted bully in life. Now he not dey okay. Now he husband dey cheat on her. Now he husband not dey sincere to her. Now he dey government house. Now he government dey feed. Now he born children every 6 months. Now he be the best way born beshile for social media. Now he beg pass. Now he thief pass. You don't ever see all that kind of things for all presenters. You don't ever no good believe yeah. Bastard children wey born. Money he. Ogun believe yeah. Our money aya with zobo yada. Our money aya with zobo yada. Money he. Money aya tie born the graveyard. It's a cemetery. Aya mo go aya mo